This video is going to be a little bit different than most of the videos that I've posted on my YouTube channel for you guys. And basically, I'm just coming on here to kind of talk to you guys and ask you guys some questions about what you want. I recently passed 1,000 subscribers, and that's awesome, by the way. Really appreciate all you guys that have made that happen. And I just kind of want to ask you what you want as far as my channel. Now, I have some ideas for what I want to do, and ultimately it is my decision, but I always like asking people and getting other people's opinions and advices. And advices? Can people give you more than one advice? I guess that's a thing, but I'm not sure that's a word. They can give you more than one opinion, and what the heck? Oh, that's interesting. I hope I closed my truck. And you can get a lot of good ideas from people. So what I want to ask from you guys is, what of my videos, what type of video that I do you like best? Because I've done a music video with Tamara, I've done violin tutorials, I've done art tutorials, I've done like painting videos where I just done a painting and then talked about it later, and then we just did the video with Tamara. So those are some questions for you. Do you want more art tutorial videos? Do you want specific art tutorial videos? Do you want to see Tamara more? Do you want more music? What do you guys want? Because as a channel and as a community that I want to grow with you guys, I want you guys to be brought into this so you guys feel like you're a part of this, because you are. You're the ones that are making this happen. And I just would like to thank you for that, because without you guys coming to my channel and watching what I do, I wouldn't be able to do it. So I really appreciate that, and thank you for that. Also, this new light. I've been messing around with my studio and changing some things up, and I want to know from you guys if you like the style, do you want it different? And tomorrow morning I'm going to film a video in the same room with totally different light, so that'll probably be my next video after this one. And just to kind of show you guys some different ideas, because I'm kind of toying around with this and I want it to look better as a channel. I want it to look more professional, and I want to do a better job. If you want to actually get in on some of that action before I shoot a video, I actually ask questions to all of my Instagram followers and my Facebook followers. If they like something or like painting ideas, I'll post a story and ask them what they think about it and stuff like that. So if you guys want to get in on that, then just go to my Instagram, Kempter Canvas, or my personal Instagram, Chris Kempter, or my Facebook, send me a friend request, and I will see if I can remember to accept it on Facebook. So that's basically all. That's just a short video for you guys. Let me know. I'm kind of at a point where I feel like I want to make sure that I'm doing what you guys like and not doing stuff that you're going to leave my channel for. So just let me know. Just leave a comment below, and if you are interested in a specific type of video, let me know. I read all of them because, like I said before, there's only like 3, but hopefully we'll change that. So I appreciate every one of you guys. Y'all are amazing, and keep up the good work. Hopefully I will bring to this channel something that you guys will appreciate and want to watch. Please feel free to ask me questions, and I will do my best to answer them. And also, if you want a painting, I do commissions. I'm actually talking to a guy that I need to reply to over email about a painting that he wants. So if you guys want commissions, or if you want some of my art, go to my website, kemptercanvas.com, send me an email. Also, you can still get in on the sale that's going on. That'll be ending March 15th. Promo code 1000 subs. I think it's all caps. And make sure you get in on that deal. 25% off. So thank you guys for watching. And as always, peace out.